talked about the unit circle and the values if you go every 90 degrees. And we've talked about the special right triangles and what values you get if you, for instance, go to 30 or 45 or 60. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to stick with the 90-degree angles. What I want to focus on in this video is the second one, which is a negative sine of x. And if you have a negative sign, it's going to do the opposite as, obviously, what's happening in the positive direction. So if you go in the positive direction, you're always going in a counterclockwise direction, or as Cambridge calls it, anti-clockwise. Well, this is going to be the negative sine of x, so we're going to go in the clockwise direction, this way. And that's why the values are different. So if you think about it, the negative sine of 90, we're going to be going, one second, this way. So for example, if we're trying to find this, the sine of 45, then we're trying to find y value. So we're trying to find what the side opposite, remember, saw, so we're trying to find what the height is or the y value. If we're trying to find the cosine of 45, then we are finding the adjacent side, which is, because it's ka, and the adjacent side is this one, in this instance. But we're just going to talk about the sine in this video. Okay, so we're trying to find the height. So I just wanted to get that concept down. We're not going to mess with 45-degree angles. We're just going to stick with increments of 90 degrees. So we're trying to find the negative sine of 90. Well, if you think about it, if we're moving in the clockwise direction, then it's the opposite. It's exactly the opposite. So then we're at negative 1. And then 180. 0, 270, 1, 360, and we're back again. Hi, you have a lesson? Okay.